Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's Julia, aka The Mug Life. I'm really glad to have you checking out my new channel, and if you're brand new, welcome. I am so glad to have you, and if you're not new, welcome back. Today I'm participating in the Ultimate Fall Wreath playlist. I will have the two hosts and their channels linked down below so you can check those out, and along with everyone who participated in this fall challenge. My personal style is a little bit of eclectic, bohemian, farmhouse vibe, so I kind of mix a lot of different elements into my home. I love bright colors. I love, something that's slightly different. So this is my take on a fall wreath. So I'm actually recycling this wreath from an old wreath that I had taken apart that wasn't quite loving. Spray painted it with a gold color, and I cut off the inner two rings with my wire cutters. And I began with my Raffia ribbon that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I just started wrapping around the outside layer about 3/4 of the way around. Once I finished wrapping my Raffia ribbon around 3/4 of the way, almost making a crescent shape, I cut off the last two metal brackets that you saw on my gold wreath. Here was the fun part. I just began sticking my different Dollar Tree flowers and my Raffia ribbon and feathers and different elements that I wanted to combine together to make my wreath. One tip I do have is my flowers come from the Dollar Tree, and I take two flowers and put them together just to make the flower really full and fluffy, and it gives it just a really high-end expensive look. And I'm taking my galvanized thankful sign that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to make that a feature piece of my wreath. I took two different ribbons that I also purchased from the Dollar Tree, and I glued them together, cut little pieces off of them, and then placed them down. One thing I did notice that I didn't like, that I quickly remedied with a old pizza box that I kept, was I wanted it a little bit stiffer and to give a little bit more shape. So I just cut it out and glued 2 layers of the cardboard on the back of my ribbon. And then I took my sign that I made with the cardboard and hot glued it to the top of my sign. And here is my sign hanging on my front door. I love it. It's super fun. I did add a few other embellishments on the wood beads to hang it. I also added a little bit of a raffia touch on the other side by my ribbon, but I loved how it turned out. It's perfect for my color scheme that I'm doing this fall, and I really wanted something a little bit fun, a little bit boho, and it ended just perfectly. Thanks for watching. I hope you subscribe and like my channel. See you next time.